Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well today. I am doing absolutely awesome, and today's video is going to be one that you guys and myself were not expecting, because I thought when I started my ear stretching journey that my goal size was going to be 0 gauge and that was going to be the end of it. Like, I was going to be happy at 0. But that is not the case. And that's a very common trend that happens when people stretch their ears. Typically, they will stretch their ears and say they have a goal size, and once they get to that goal size, they just keep going bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Today, we are going to go from a 0 gauge all the way up to a 00. Yay! And when I made my last order on body candy, I was just kind of looking for 00 things, and I came across this little kit right here. I don't even know the details of it because it was so long ago now that I got it, but it basically came with these 2 little tapers right here, and then it came with these little plugs right here. And these are 10 millimeters, so these are 00, and we are going to stretch them up today. Back to this shit. So I was just playing with them. That's another thing, is I love playing with my stretched ears, like especially the tunnels. I'll just like put my little fingers in them and just kind of like pull, and it just feels so satisfying. So anyway, the other night I was playing with them, and check this shit out. You guys see that? Here, I'll show you again. They completely just came out. I really think 00 is gonna be a good size for me. I'm very excited about it. That's kind of another reason why you haven't seen any like plug or tunnel hauls, because I didn't want to get a whole bunch of 0 gauge and then stretch up to a 00. So I was waiting to kind of get to a 00 before I spent all this money on plugs and tunnels. So, but now that we have all that out of the way, I can zoom you guys in very uncomfortably close, and we can stretch my ears. Also, yep, here we are, watery eyes. I don't know why my eyes water so damn bad. It's always this one. It's so irritating. So I imagine that this is gonna be a pretty fast and painless process, so I'm actually going to completely skip the tapers altogether and just try to dead stretch with the little plugs right here. So, and these are, I totally forgot what material these are, but they're kind of like a metal, some sort of metal. I can't, like I said, I can't remember, but they are quite heavy. So this is definitely going to be a new experience. I'm actually going to start with this ear right here. So I'm actually going to pull this guy out, and then I'm going to use a little bit of vitamin E oil just to kind of massage and rub around, kind of get that blood flowing, and then we're just gonna basically slide these guys right in. Just figured I would record it because, you know, I've taken you guys along this journey from start. Might as well take it all the way to the end, am I right? Alright, so we have vitamin E, and I'm basically just going to slide. Hey guys, so it is many days later, and I am here to try this again, try to get up to a 00. So the issue that I was having in the first clip, where I looked a lot better than this first clip that you guys saw, I just was not working. My ears were just not having it. So I decided, okay, we're gonna stop, we're gonna take a break. And I went from 8 millimeters, which is a 0 gauge, and I actually put in 9 millimeter plugs or tunnels. So that's what I have in my ears right now. And I've had these in for quite some time, and we are gonna try again to go up to 10 millimeters, which is a 00. So hopefully there is enough give to go up to, you know, another millimeter. These glasses are my blue light glasses. I wear these a lot when I'm editing, and these have been an absolute lifesaver. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And I've literally been editing all freaking day. And I don't know, I think they look pretty cute, so I wanted to wear them for this video today. So basically, you know, we're not gonna waste any time. We're just gonna, you know, jump right into this. I have my vitamin E oil right here. I have my water-based lube right here. I have my tapers. I have the plugs right here. And try to stretch up because I'm sick of waiting. So hopefully there is enough room right here. So I'm just gonna take a little alcohol wipe and clean each of my ears. I'm just gonna pop this guy out. My gosh, look at how big. It's crazy. And then next I'm going to pop a glove on really quick, and then next I am just going to kind of lube up the area. Like so. Doodle-a-doo. And then I'm just gonna take the leftover, and I am gonna try to dead stretch without the taper. Did I do it? I got it! Yay! Okay, so there we go. Those are what the 00 plugs look like. Yeah, that was a lot easier. I'm glad I took a break and put in the 9mm for a while because I literally just needed that like extra little stretch right there. So cool. Okay, so that ear is done, and we are literally gonna jump right into this ear. I did my right ear first because that is usually my most difficult ear to stretch, so I wanted to get that one out of the way. This one should be a little bit easier. So again, I'm gonna pop that out. There is the hole. It's looking pretty holy if you ask me. And again, I'm going to take a fresh alcohol wipe and just kind of wipe down the area. Get it nice and clean. That was really easy. There really wasn't any pain whatsoever. So, you know, 'tis a good thing. Right, then I'm going to grab a fresh glove for the other ear. I just don't want to get, you know, any lube in my fingernails or anything like that. Actually, I'm going to put it on the other hand. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my water-based lube and lube it up. I do still have to take a shower, so everything will get nice and cleaned soon after this video. Then I'm just gonna take the excess, and here we go. Let's see if we can do this ear. Easy peasy. Yeah, this ear is always a lot easier for me. The right ear always gives me a hard time, but the left ear is usually pretty easy. And that, try to do it again so you guys can see. I freaking knew it. I knew today was gonna be the day that we were gonna finally get up to a 00. I'm so excited. Whoops. Got a little too looby and slid right out on me. These plugs are quite heavy. I am not used to the size of them and the weight of them, so they are definitely a lot heavier than what I'm used to. And they each came with 2 sets of O-rings, so one for the front and one for the back. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get them on because everything is just so slippery right now. Well, that one is not gonna go on right now. Everything is just too slippery and looby right now, so I will have to try to get the rest of the O-rings on after the shower, but I actually like them. I actually like the look of the black plugs. I think they're super cool looking. Let me know what you guys think. So yeah guys, that is everything that I have for this 00 stretch video. I know that this may come as a shock to most of you. I know a lot of you probably thought I was just gonna go to 0 and stay there, but you know, if you've ever stretched your ears before, well, you know how that goes. Usually you always go up and up and up and up. I don't plan on going any higher than 00 because I don't want to get past the point of no return, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to stay at 00 for a while. I'm going to get some cute plugs and tunnels, and we're just going to kind of take it from there. But yeah, I actually really like the way that these look. I think it's a really good size for my ears personally. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know I look like 2 totally different people, but I promise I'm the same person. Makeup is just a beautiful, magical, wonderful thing. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here. You guys can go ahead and check out my ear stretching playlist so you can see from the very beginning of my journey all the way up until now. As for the rest of you, I love you guys so very much, and until then, I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!